Okay.
Are you making a video?
I'm making a video. Are you making a video too?
I was gonna put some
That's fine.
audio on the background.
Go ahead, do whatever you want. Yeah. I don't need to. This is not a. This is going to be like a.
Okay.
Probably fast forward. Yeah.
What are you packing, Jay Leo?
Jay Leo.
Holy shit.
I know, it's happening.
Oh my god, Jay Leo, I feel for you, man.
Jay Leo's become like a figure in our family, has he not?
I worry about Jay Leo.
We talk about him with the animals. I worry about Jay Leo. Oh no, wait. It doesn't fit?
Oh, baby, it fits once you bend it. It's just not fit.
I don't know, but I thought I had gotten it ready.
Oh, you're good, baby. You're good.
One more
Amy.
thing.
Just
Okay.
one touch. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't even talk about it. Okay, baby. Look at June.
Look at Junie.
That was sweetheart, right?
Yeah.
You did an amazing job with June.
Picking her out?
Yeah. I got
Yeah.
a sickly cat.
Huh?
I got a sickly cat.
That's okay. I love him so much. I'm a little more attached to him, actually.
Really?
I love Junie, but I just feel like Popo and I are more bonded.
Aww.
Don't you
He
think so?
needs you more. He needs you.
Yeah, he follows me around. I follow him around.
You don't follow him around. He
No,
follows you around.
but
He's
I
like,
would.
He's morning routine. He has a morning routine with you.
He does have a morning routine with me.
That's the
Yeah.
sweet, right?
Yeah.
Like, he's like, oh, we're going, oh, she's down here.
He's like, oh, she's in the bathroom. I can't wait to hang out with her in the shower.
Yeah. And then into the kitchen, right? He follows you into the kitchen as well.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's what the bathroom's all about. So he doesn't miss the kitchen.
He's ahead of the curve.
He knows what's happening. Okay, so
Minka.
here we go. Two of these things. One of these. These. Okay. And I gotta wrap this guy. I think I tested this way back when. I don't want to pour anything in it right now. Tell me you're a perfect pour.
Oh, fuck.
Imagine it got damaged in shipping.
Yeah, I'm
After all this.
multiple.
I thought you were going to say I would break up with you.
No, I break it up into multiple packages.
No.
That's how I would do it.
I know.
I'm not telling you how to do it. I'm just telling you how I would do it. Because if one got broken, then that'd be okay. But if like all of them were like lost or broken. Sorry, I'm doing this. I gotta do this. Okay?
Do you mind if I do my tape in here?
Sorry, what?
Do you mind if I do my loud tape in here? While
Yeah, do it!
Woo!
Okay. Well, yeah, we were thinking about possibly posting about, like, I'll sell you a bat system.
Oh, right. Yes, yes.
And there was a person who wanted one, and you were going to send me their contact info, and then I never got.
I know. I don't remember who it is now. It was a non-student.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know.
Okay.
That's why we don't know that, Amy.
Yeah, that's why I can't remember who it is.
Yeah. Fuck. Huh. What happened to this piece of wood? Did it get white?
Okay, let's see.
This?
Yeah.
I know, it's this wood guy. I slid it in here. I think it got swollen or something. We got... Oh, there we go. Woo! Amy.
Nima. Nima.
I posted a flyer today. I posted a
Yeah.
couple flyers today.
Yeah, you did. Alright, sometimes it feels like I have like so much foam, I don't know what to do with all this foam. Now I need the foam. Where's the foam?
Phone Amy.
Oh, Amy. Okay, here's some stuff.
So Amy from Show.
Okay.
Hey Siri, what time is it?
Maybe this piece is
I
overkill.
can't hear my phone. Hey Siri, turn the volume all the way up.
Oh, Jesus.
Amy, what time is it?
1:30.
Cool. I don't have an alarm for 1:30 to remind me to hang on the rug. It's kind of lame if you're like, oh, let's hang out, and then you like completely forget. It's like, it's not feeling good. And it's not good. I'm glad Corinne reached out to you.
I know, me too.
I try not to say anything, but sometimes I can't get myself to say, Amy, you gotta reach out to your cousin.
Got a what?
Reach out to your cousin.
Oh, yeah.
You know, when it's too late, it's too late. You know, if you just can't be done. Well, yeah, Mom died, and I really needed your help. And
Whoa, news.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to get by.
Okay,
Fuck.
I just
What
got
was you?
Pots are precariously
Well, that shouldn't. Why is
right
that the
here.
case?
I'm just telling you.
Why'd you do it?
I'm just telling you. Yes, and.
I love you.
Yeah.
Yes, and my ass.
Yes, and my ass. Okay. Let's see how this will fit in here. I feel where the spout is. This whole thing is like confusing. Okay. Okay. That should be good. Rubba dubba dubba doo. And then these guys, and then we're almost done. J-Leo.
Hey,
Yeah.
I had an idea.
Okay.
So usually when I come in from being outside, Papa's at the stairs,
Mm-hmm.
and I say hi, and I put my finger out. I let him smell it.
Uh-huh.
If I have like a germ or a bug or something. This is from humans. So human respiratory viruses can infect cats.
Okay.
So COVID is a human respiratory virus. RSV. What are some human respiratory viruses? Flu, respiratory RSV. Children get a few different rhinoviruses, which is what causes the common cold. Adenovirus, coronavirus, metapneumovirus.
Cats can catch COVID from
Yep. Cats catch COVID. That's why it travels between humans and animals. You can ask your phone and maybe it'll tell you something different. It'll be like, Nima's phone's full of bullshit. There's no such thing as COVID. No one died of COVID. Trust me. It was a government conspiracy.
Oh my god. okay. You know, I gotta say, I'm not in love with these cups, but they've got to be good enough, and I'm giving them to him for free.
Yeah.
Just at this point, it's like, J-Leo,
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell you about these cups.
Like, you can say, you know what, J-Leo?
You can say, like,
I tell my partner I don't have anything to work on, but I should think about, like, why it took me so long to do these cups. And
Recorded Books presents the Upright Citizens Brigade. Refine the game of the scene by using the improv principle if-then, continually asking the question, if this unusual thing is true, then what else is true? The answers to this question provide the comedic content of the game. Section 1. The beginning of the scene. In this section of the book, we go over how to create what we call a base reality. That's the world of the scene. It's the who, what, where, the general situation, the context, the what's going on. A football team meeting at halftime.
It's the what's going on.
Even something fantastical like two aliens negotiating a peace treaty to end the global insect war. These are all possible base realities for a scene. Use of these terms base reality to emphasize that this is the base of our scene. We'll build the comedy, the game, on top of it. That means the base reality should not be played for laughs. Even if it's fantastical, it's played real relative to its situation. This is important because we'll need to be able to identify the first unusual thing that happened relative to this base reality to start finding the game. An agreement is crucial when we start our scenes. We go over how the classic improv mantra, yes and, lets you quickly build a base reality together. We also discuss the importance of good listening, strong commitment, and playing realistically when developing your base reality. Chapter 1. What is a base reality? In this chapter, we talk about the base reality of the scene. The main points of this chapter include how to get a suggestion from the audience and use that to inspire a good first line called the initiation. Using yes and agreement to build on each other's ideas. Noticing the character of the space so we agree on its physicality and tone. Getting the who, what, where out. Doing good object work when we mind props. Keeping the reality real, not wacky. Yes and. Definition. Yes and. These two simple words are the building blocks of every long-form improv scene. Yes refers to the idea that you should be agreeing with any information your scene partner gives.
Oh my god, this is up against the edge.
And refers to the adding
Good.
of information that relates to the
no
previous.
bueno!
No bueno.
Yes and is very important at the beginning of every scene, since it will allow you and your scene partner to discover the base reality in which your characters exist. When we speak to people in real life, we move the conversation forward by adding new information in response to what has already been communicated. Imagine that you are talking with a group of friends. If everybody else is telling stories about their dog, and you start talking about how good you are at basketball, out of the blue, you haven't added to the conversation already in progress. In order to successfully participate in this conversation, you should offer another dog story. Yes and is how we mirror this process in our scene work. At the very start of a long-form scene, you and your scene partner will have absolutely no information about who your characters are, what they're doing, and where they are. By following the principle of yes and, you can work together to quickly determine the base reality of the scene. By continually agreeing with what has been established and adding new, related information, you will establish a base reality against which you will be able to recognize the first unusual thing that has happened.
You hear that?
This is
What?
important
Someone's at our
because
door.
the first
Oh, really?
unusual thing is
Yeah.
I'll go get it.
game or comedy